Grabe ang ano. Grabing sun, guys, oh. Ha?
Ice.
Yeah. See? Ice.
Yeah.
Grabing araw, kaya mag-walking kami. Sarap ng araw kasi. Let's walk. Let's have a walk. Ga smoke. Itong gusto.
You see your breath.
Yeah. Ito lang gusto namin. Hindi yung snow. Yung ano lang siya. Walking. Sarap. Nice.
Feels good.
Yeah, ito yung gusto ko. Hindi yung nag-snow kasi, di ba? Freezing lang siya. Pero hindi siya, nag-yellow ang konti na lang may salt naman. Yung hangin, yun ang masakit sa face. Pero masarap dahil mainit to. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Tambay kami sa park. Magpapainit. Tago ko muna yung yung kamay ko, yung gloves ko na sa car. Dito lang kami sa loob ng compound. Masarap ilakad dito. Exercise. Papa, don't step on the mud. What is that? Gabi. Gaanong gamot ko. Naninigas. Painit kami sa Tingnan nyo yung araw. Yung shadow. Diba? Ang taas ng sun pa ganyan. No? May shadow kami. Kaya lakad-lakad. Bilad sa init. Ano yan? May heat-tech. May heat-tech sa taas. May heat-tech sa baba. Mahirap na magkasakit. Diba? Tambay sa park, magpapainit. Mas maganda to kasi hinihika ako pag mainit. Pag maglakad sa under the summer, hinihika ako. Kaya ito ang maganda. Malamig. Tago ko muna yung kamay ko. Naninigas. Frost. Huh? See? Frost, oh. There. There is ice there.
Yeah.
Oh, frost. Kaya nalubog ang shoes niya. Sa Princeton niya, last year, ayun o, may ice o. Kaya pumunta si Amanda kasi may snow. Dito hindi nagsusnow. Ice ka agad. Kaya mas madulas. Kaya yung maintenance dito sa loob namin, naglagay ka agad ng salt sa ground. Sarap ng init, oh. Sarap ng init, pero sobrang lamig. Grabe. Dapat mag-video ako, hindi ganun. Kasi ang makikita nyo yung butas ng ilong ko. Dapat pa ganun. Charis! Di pa ako marunong kasi mag-video. Na naglalakad. Grabe, kanami. Di, oh, init. Pero ang kamot. Kapraniga ang kamot. Grabe. 28. Subong 28 Merong maglalaro na dogs. Yung dalawa niyang aso. Ayun, 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 ayun. Ayun, cute, cute. Di ka na-jump, Papa? Papa, di ka na-jump out?
No,
Cute, cute. Grabe.
this inside my torso, not cold at all.
Yeah, me, I have hit tech.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Really?
I have hit tech. I bought in Bacolod. Diri mahal eh. Mahal gali ding hit tech. Simple ano lang, pag gusto mo yung mura, yung cheap only, but it's not really hit tech that can protect. Ngayon, wala akong naramdaman sa loob ng jogging pants ko. Sa, ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Sa SM, yung isang store doon. H&M. Yeah, H&M. I bought in H&M. Yung hit tech leggings at saka yung sa dito sa loob. So, hindi ka talaga makaramdam. Dito bumili ako leggings lang. Pero hindi siya yung specific. Mahal dito eh. Yung hit tech. Mismo ah. Pero yung ordinary leggings, pwede na rin. Makaprotect na rin. Pero ito, ngayon ito wala. Uy! Very big.
Yeah, there's 3 of them up there.
Wow! It's very big. So we are here in building number 1. We go around. So medyo masakit ng akong balakang kasi yan ang balatian ko pag matagal na lakad. So masakit na yung hita ko. Yung sa may balakang ko. Pero okay lang. Imagine yung mga yung in between. Yung mga in between loan sa building to building. Malawak. Pwede pang tayuan ng isang another building. Pero maganda. Inikot talaga namin. Punta kami ng gym. At saka, yeah. No, we're here.
This way.
Why?
There's no entry that way.
Ah, really?
Unless you go to the pool.
We'll pass by the mail room.
Yeah. This is by the
Okay.
mail room.
Okay. Ito yung entrance, yung main office ng, ayan, yung office namin. Hindi ko pakita. Kung anong pangalan.
You look. You want coffee? There's coffee. We can
Yeah, no. No. We had already.
I might have coffee again.
Huh? Makapi siya. Diba? No. I don't like. You
I
want?
had coffee already.
Okay. Tapos ito, yung pool overlooking. Diba? Ang ganda. Ito yung receiving ng aming that one. Is dito sa gym. Diba? Shush.
Oh, look at that. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's a lot of stairs. There's the mail room.
Yeah, the mail room.
Want to see our mailbox? Go left. Right this way. Then turn right.
Cute. Now this is the
And
mail
when they say we have
room.
packages, it's over here.
For the packages. Yeah. See? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng aming going out. This is the male room.
And this is Papa's.
This is Papa's shower. Male CR and going out. Every day Papa will be here. See, this is the gym. Nobody's here, so I can take video. Diba? Ganito yung gym niya. Dito
So
siya.
most of the time I spent there or up here.
Yeah.
I do the weights.
See? Hi!
This is what they bought. I suggested, you know.
Ah, that one.
Yeah. Step and jump.
Yeah. Grabe ang bango. Nice smell. So
Huh?
overlooking the gym, it's overlooking the swimming pool. Ito yung gym ni Anson. Dito siya, hindi kanya, kundi dito sa compound. Para gusto ko na rin mag-gym. Papa, maybe I will go with you.
Huh?
Maybe I'll go with you
Yeah.
during your gym.
I want you to.
Okay. Marami naman akong gym attire. So, ang ganda may sun. That's his history
Then January.
recorded.
So what's this one? That's 3 miles, 2 miles. This is 4 miles.
Okay.
Took 1 hour.
So going out from the gym is the overlooking swimming pool. So that is the gym. So this is the pool. And then going out to our apartment. See how so I will be with Pops starting today. Yeah. Kung gusto ko tapos na ko exercise, I can sit down here while waiting for him. Uy, ang sarap ng tubig. My gosh. Diba? Napaka
I feel how cold.
No. I know it's freezing. Sira ulo kaya pag ka dyan, lumpat ka. May grilling station. Sarap ng tubig. See? Pwede kami mag-barbecue dito. Kompleto naman. Yeah.
Gas grill.
Yeah. Dito.
I see people come come out, cook their dinner and go home.
Okay. Pwede. Basta wala ka lang ikakalat dito bago ka umalis. You clean.
See the gas.
Yeah. See, sarap. Kahit pa paano, swerte pa rin kami kasi hindi na kami namumroblema. 6 here, 6. So the other one there is no diving. Yeah, no diving.
This is 4 feet.
4.
4 feet.
So I will be there. there. Kay 4 feet.
The whole thing?
6 here. Yeah.
This is 6 inches.
Na, let's go home na. Diba? Bakit? Kung doon kami sa doon kami sa Abilin, sa sariling bahay, mamumblema pa kami. Bawal na nga. Dahil matanda na, seniors na. All we have is na lang, kalma-kalma. Ganyan. Labas na tayo. Ganyan lang. Isang kalye, isang lane lang to. Do isa, dalawa, tatlo. Di ba? Ang liit ko tingnan. This is going to our storage inside our building. Ito. May sarili kami isa, dalawa. Siyempre, rerentahan mo. See, that is our storeroom. Ang dami pa, oh. Padala ko pa yan sa Pinas. Di ba? And the number 2.
This is the old one.
The old
We don't
one.
use it.
Yeah. Okay. So we have only one left. Where's the vacant box?
It's behind. I can move it. I just got to get this out.
Okay.
Easy.
We're home! Grabe. Lagay mo na sa heater. I have portable heater here. Doon di kasara ng heater. Dahil siyempre. Aligos. Gamit. Oh. Chuk, 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 chuk. Kiyo, kiyo. Maupod ako kay Anson. During his gym time every other day. He work out every day, but me every other day. I have gym attire, but you know, I'm lazy. But I was inspired and encouraged by our gym there. So why not coconut? It's free. I'm still very lucky. Ang iban gabayad pa sa gym para lang maka-gym, makadto sa gym diri amon. Para lang oh, bangan lang. So I have to do it. Diva!